How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Car. Today we're checking out a super cool 69 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. This car has had a complete frame off, kind of custom build, done in Hugger orange with the white hockey stripe. Super cool car, got steel cowl hood on it. All the grill, bumpers, all in excellent condition. It's got the chin spoiler. The paint on the car is super flat, nice. Car's real straight down the sides. Really, really cool car. It's kind of bear with us, sun keeps coming and going. Got all the RS tail lights, got the rear deck spoiler, backup lights, rear bumper's been replaced. Just a super, super nice car. I really like the white hockey stripe on it. Got a nice strong running 454 in it. Aluminum intake and Holley dual feed. It's got all MSD ignition, power steering, power disc brakes, your aluminum radiator. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got the 12 bolt posi rear. Jams all look real nice. Interior's all in excellent condition. Headliner's all nice and tight. It's got all the front and rear seat belts with the shoulder straps. They relocated the battery to the rear. Just cleans up the engine compartment a bit. Nice set of 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels on it all the way around. Nice AM FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in the dash. Again, it's a nice, mild built 454. Thing fires right up. Good sounding cam in it. The electric headlights work perfect. We'll have to check out the horn. Nice full mass exhaust all the way out the back, stock location. Good sounding car. I'll tell you, the thing pounds the ground. Blast to drive with the overdrive in it. You can drive this car anywhere you want to go. Damn good looking car there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.